up, YouTube? It's your boy D Smooth here.
It's your boy Don Woo.
And we here, G35 boys. You know, we about to go pick up this man's G35. He just got his new engine swap.
Just got an engine swap. I'm not lifter tick Woo no more. You heard?
He got the little. What you got? The Coupe engine, right?
Yeah.
He got the Coupe engine in the Sedan. So you know that's already 20 more horsepower right there. He about to be whipping that thing. We're gonna see if he can keep up with me now.
Then I'm gonna just start building it from there. Get more horses, you know what I'm talking about.
After that, we gonna supercharge. The end goal is supercharge. I don't know how we gonna do it, but we gonna do it. We gonna figure it out. I mean, I don't know. You wanna go supercharge?
I don't know, bro.
I mean,
I do. It's faster, but it's like, is it worth it? I don't know, bro. I
think it's worth it.
I don't know.
Like, I think it's worth it because you get, if you try to build all motor, that shit take too long, and it's like you're not gonna get the horsepower. You're not gonna get the horsepower you would get if you just like instantly supercharge it. Our turbo, right? So like, you know, fuck it. But yeah, man, you excited?
Something like it.
I'm excited, bro. I don't know why you being all modest.
Nah, I am. But
I'm excited for you. Like, I'm ready to get this thing. You ain't ticking no more.
Bro, I'm excited, bro. My car. My car.
Yeah, gonna be ticky. You excited? I'm excited, bro.
Bro, I am too, bro. It's like my car.
Excited.
It been in the shop for a whole week, bro. And that's a little too long.
But a week, bro. A week for an engine swap.
Yeah, that's not long. It's not long.
It's long, like, cause you don't have your car, but it's not long for an engine swap. We just gotta get there and hope he did a good job.
Right, you know? For the kind of work that was just done to it. It was. Yeah. That was a good amount of time, but.
And we got it for the jug. My man did it for the jug, huh?
Yeah, he did it for the jug, like 1,000, but the engine was more than that, so it's like.
I mean, but shit, you got an engine with. That shit got what? Less than 50,000 miles on it?
Yeah, engine got less than like 50,000 miles. He said around 40,000.
40,000?
He said around 40,000 to 50,000 because that's where they get the engines. That's where they get the engines from.
From Japan, right?
Yeah, from Japan.
Where'd you get it from? Engine World?
Yeah, I bought it from Engine World. And dude, he was pretty chill though.
Engine World in Henryville. Yeah, right now we in Oakland. Going to meet up, dude. We're going to do house. Pick up this engine. Alright. Dude seem cool, the mechanic dude? I ain't never met him.
Nah, he seemed cool, bro. He was alright, chilling.
Hopefully he know what he doing.
Right, hopefully he didn't mess up my car. I ain't trying to leave it out here for no more time, bro.
I mean, it was already messed up, Don Woo.
Bro, okay, it was messed up, but nothing was wrong with besides the ticking, bro. So it's like, if he messed it up more, bro, then that's... Oh, he can't mess it up more, but if he did something, bro, I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, hey, we about to see.
Alright.
Pull up on, what's his name?
Ramirez, yeah.
Ramirez.
We're almost at the house now.
Almost there. We're gonna hit y'all back when we get up there.
We'll be back.
Peace. Alright, y'all. Here go the Sedan. Here go the old engine. The lifter tick engine. Shit was. He was lifter tick. Ooh. But now, shit don't look that bad. It look kind of dirty and shit. No ticky. Oh man, no ticks. Look that smile on his face. No ticks. Is it just water, huh?
Oh yeah, because when I put some coolant.
Oh, it's still up?
Okay. Yeah. And I put water.
Oh, the ventilator wakes it up. Yeah. So the smell, that's not good.
Yeah.
How you feeling? How you feeling?
This thing amazing, you're
Feeling amazing?
amazing, eloquent.
Counting
There's
that,
no ticking.
counting that moolah. Cash my man's up. Yeah, we just got this thing back. He about to do a little test drive on the block. Sound good. Sound good. Sound real good. Sound real good. Okay. I hear him. I hear him. I hear him. Okay, I hear him. Okay. Okay then. I guess we in the building, huh? This shit running. I don't know if it's running harder than mine, but it's running though. It's running. And it ain't ticking. Brand new engine from Japan. Well, less than, what, 40,000 miles on it. Oh, he coming again? He coming again? Is he coming again? Is he coming again? Oh no, he ain't coming again. He slowed it down. He ain't fucking doing it no more. But shit, that shit running though. Oh, I'm gonna tell him to do a burnout. I'm gonna see if he can hit it. Do a burnout. Hey, do a burnout. He's booty, but that's it. Uh-oh. Here he come. Oh, I think he's done, man. He's done, man. That motherfucker run. I need to dry that thing. Alright, y'all. Let me talk to him real quick. Let me run up on him real quick. Run up on him real quick and see what he think. See what he think. How you feel? How you feeling? How you feeling?
Man.
How you feeling, huh?
It feels a little bit powerful, you heard me?
Got a little more power?
This thing rolling.
It sound good.
Who's trying to line it up?
Sound good. I might need. Let me get in the driver's seat, bud. Let me get in the driver's seat real quick. Let me drive this thing.
Should I let him drive?
Let me drive this thing.
Man, he can get in the car, bro.
Let me just go down the block. I'm gonna come right back.
Hold on.
Be back, yo. I'm about to drive this thing. You feel me?
I'm getting
see what power it's got.
Let's see what this thing do. I've never been outside of my car to hear the sound of the power that it's producing. So let's hear this thing. That boy redlining my shit, bro. That boy redlining my shit.
What does that mean?